Hello everybody, this is how to enable all Discord modes if... what is broken? Anyways, if you hate the new layout, this is how to fix it. First, open settings, scroll down to about phone, tap on the build number 7 or 8 times, enter your password, and it will show up you're now a developer. Now you go back, System and Updates, Developer Options, scroll down till you find Drawing, smallest width, set this to 600. It's gonna get smaller, but that's okay. Then you want to get Discord out of there, open it up, and you have semi-old layout because tablets still don't have the new layout. Thank you guys for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!